celebrate their hard work, achievements, and the bright future ahead. To take the stage to inspire us with his welcome address, a big hand to Lance, Nathan, and Malayo.
Guest to our school head, Mr. Expedito, si Adana, Assistant School Head, Mrs. Maria Victoria L. Garcia, our dearest teachers, Teacher Regina, Hermine, our respective teachers of Loob Elementary School, our beloved, supportive parents, classmates, friends, ladies and gentlemen, a pleasant morning to all of us. I am so grateful and honored for this privilege to welcome all of you to our moving up ceremony 2024. We are happy for this first milestone of our young lives. On behalf of the kindergarten class, I welcome you to our moving up ceremony. To celebrate today with us. Thank you very much.
Thank you lang guys. Kubuka na ba dito? Be proud kayo ang parents lang guys.